This is Craig Booker. This is week 4 of mobile development frameworks. And just a brief review of my code here. I have my project 4, which is parsing data coming from Twitter, specifically a Twitter search API. And this is my XML parser. It was a little bit difficult to find part of Twitter that's still using XML to actually pull from, but it was one of the most relative APIs to use. They're switching a lot more to using JSON format, and so it was really difficult to find something that was useful to pull that I could apply to the application. So here's part of my class for parsing the XML, and constructed a little bit differently the way that was done in the video, but still accomplished the same thing. I have a class that's just a tweet class that is used to store the data from a tweet when it was the content and then when it was created. This is something that I hadn't seen before. It was using a little bit different way of creating with code the view for my table view. And so I chose to implement this just to see what it was like to do it this way. Getting to my application, here you can see it's doing a search based on the term OBD2, and so any tweets that have that in their content. Here's my source for the XML that is pulling in a web view, and it doesn't make a whole lot of sense here. Switch back here, you can see the difference. I did have trouble with my detail view for some reason. Just could not get it to working. When I click on one of the tweets or the items in the table, it simply crashes, and haven't been able to resolve that. That's probably the area that I could have done better, but this accomplished what I was looking for in the assignment. It was something that could be applied in the future. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you again next time.
Thank you.